good, baby, don't you?
Made it to Jamaica. Yeah, I wasn't feeling well yesterday, so I didn't really vlog much. And today I've just gotten myself together, gotten ready. Oh my god, no, it's not 7 o'clock. I think it's like 2 or 1. We're actually gonna go take a walk in a minute, so I'll vlog some of that. I'm in my grandma's house, so it's very like nostalgic for me right now. And I'm just like soaking it all in. Like, I don't know how much of this I'm gonna vlog because it feels very like private and like family. I'm here for family, I'm here for my grandma, I'm here for my granddad, I'm here for my family, so I don't know how much I'm gonna vlog, but I'm definitely going to vlog and show you the beauty of Jamaica because it's so beautiful. My grandma literally fed her cows this morning. Like, it's not adding up. It just doesn't feel real, but I'm in my plane suit and this is the room that we're staying in. This is one of the many rooms in my grandma's house. Got the fan on deck because it's needed. But yeah, we're just gonna go about the days. This is day 2 and yeah, it's giving family and love and enjoyment. So
Rain is love. Have you been going to the front room and hear it?
that's what you call having breadfruit on your own land.
That's how you call having bread. Yeah, it's got bare bread. Bare bread.
Bare bread, money, bare money. Today's been quite a rainy day, you know. We was in the bush earlier. The bush is over there. That's the bush. And now we are chilling, walking around. We've got a little bit of internet access.
And some sun.
A little bit of sun. A little bit more rain. Let's see what the cows are saying.
Let's see the cows.
Yeah, let's see what the cows are saying. Because I feel like the cows are saying something. What do we think? Is the cow saying something, Cuzzy?
Do you know what? They're probably saying, where's my food?
I'm not giving it to them.
Oh, where's the bush girl?
Bush girl. Look at this tree.
Succulent.
Succulent tree. I'm learning so much. This is another tree here. This one is... What tree is this one again?
Huh?
We know what type of tree this is?
I don't know what that one is, but that one's the apple tree.
Aki tree is this one here. That's the Aki tree. This one we don't know, but it's a pretty tree. So, yeah.
Wait.
Where's the Aki?
That one. Underneath.
Oh, I see it. Okay, let me get a video. Oh yes, perfect. See these red things? That is Aki. At the top there. That's the Aki tree. I mean, if the cloud didn't look so angry, this view.
I'm joking. I can actually come in with you, pocket.
Okay, I'm gonna stay here.
Where's the aloe vera? Mind your hands. Okay.
Oh my goodness!
Winner!
Aloe vera! Wow. Aloe vera plant. Homegrown. I'm in the bush. I'm in the bush. Whee! And I have aloe vera. Aloe vera. Hey! There's a lizard.
I just saw a lizard. Yeah, it's done.
I want to run. She loves the bush.
I love the bush. I'm a bush gal.
She's a bush gal. Take the bush, you bush gal. Take bush. Look, there's a breadfruit. There's our cousin Keisha. Hey, Keish. Hey, lizard. Go on, sister. Support you. Go on. Go on with it. Go on with it. Yo, Izzy, are you kidding me? Oh, this is cute. This side.
Yeah, that one.
That's very what. Turn this way. I personally will not be doing that. However, I'm really proud of my sister. She a real bush gal.
Yard girl.
Me, I'm doing that watch from yard.
Come on. Jamaica, tell me dead.
Eh.
You have no choice. Grandma will be happy to know. Come. What? Mute them. You goodie? You want banana? You want banana? You want banana? Sit there. Yo, you want banana? Sit there. You have the banana? There it is. You don't have that much. Over there, sir. Over there, sir. Over there. Over there.
Tip it over, Liv.
This is just rainwater, isn't it? Like that.
I said, bye, mama.
Boy was okay. So the boy was walking all the way around. Down here. Look, one crib there.
Okay, here we go.
The schoolgirl just walking past the house like so.
Aww. Yeah, if she can do it, I could do it.
Alright, that's shut back this because you're going to go the other
Yeah.
side.
Look at that little girl.
Mind the poo, yeah?
She can do it, I could do it. See you, Grandma.
Mind it dirt. Oh no, I want proper shoes anyways.
Like Olivia with her Crocs.
Yeah, I can rent these off, innit? I think there's poo everywhere, guys. You can't lie.
Yeah, there's poo everywhere. Why'd you guys move so fast?
Because it's just the floor.
No, it stinks.
Yeah.
Okay, it's fine. Lots of poo. We're good. See, they don't even care about us.
Poo everywhere, bro.
Hello.
Everywhere.
Right, so we have ventured out into the land, and the cows are here. If you can see them there. We are venturing. There's one over here, the little brown one. I'm not gonna lie to you lot, I'm scared of these lot, but they seem really calm. This is the family walk. There's one cow here. There, so. And yeah, it's a really nice little walk. I need to look in.
You know the ones with the horns? That's her child. That's her car.
Her baby. Clearly, I'm not a bush girl. But this is fun.
You're getting there.
Yeah. We're doing adventure. Yeah.
I wonder what... Oh, there's one of these leaves that close up when you touch it.
Oh, really? Wait, hold on. Wow.
Oh, the whole plant.
That's so pretty.
Not those ones. Oh, yeah, there you go. You see it. Hey.
How beautiful is this tree?
Yeah.
Wow. Gorgeous. I need to clean this camera. Like, the beauty here is just undescribable. I don't really know how to give it words. There's another ackee tree. You can see the ackee there. Look at me becoming a professional. Oh, what the floop? It looks like a dog. You think? Look at the teeth. Look at the teeth. That's the end of the walk. Very short but sweet walk. We're now going to walk back up this hill here. Beautiful place. I don't know if you can tell, but I'm sweating. I'm not sweating from my underarms. I'm sweating from every single pore of my body. But it feels good, right? Right? So, yeah. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful place. Catch up with you lot later. Good morning. Another morning in beautiful Jamaica. Apologies for my dry lips and my dry face. I've literally woken up, had some tea, had a little bread, come outside with my cousin. My sister has gone exploring, same way that we walked yesterday. And I can't see her. A little bit worried, but I'm sure she's fine. But the views this morning, breathtaking. Absolutely breathtaking. Like, genuinely, I'm going to flip the camera in a minute. Let me just find my sister. There she is. But yeah, views this morning, Keish.
Huh?
Views this morning.
Breathtaking.
Breathtaking.
Do you want to show them?
Taking breath, yes. I did not expect him to come out of there. Okay, so currently we are on our way to this party that my mum is having. It's basically my mum and my aunt's. My mum and aunt is twins. Oh my gosh, none of this makes sense. It's a party for my mum and my aunt, and that's my mum's twin. Got the speaker in hand, got the fan on deck ready. I put makeup on today. We're gonna see if it's gonna last because I doubt it. But yeah, we're gonna go party, have fun, meet so many family members. The view that I'm looking at is, I don't know if I'll ever get over this view, honestly. Highly doubt it. But yeah, we're gonna live our best lives today. See. Keisha, your band is a little bit wonky. Your band's a little bit wonky.
Your bun's a bit funky.
Yeah.
Listening, seeing you got ritualistic, cleansing my soul of addiction, but now cause I'm falling apart.
Lisa with speed, yeah?
Yeah, tension between us just like big fences. You got issues that I won't mention for now, cause we're falling apart.
You've been there for a while, love.
Passionate from miles away, passive with the things you say, passing up on my old ways. I can't blame you, no.
For one and only one reason, which is to celebrate with these two lovely ladies on either side of me. Am I privileged or what?
Yeah.
No.
Wow. Hold up. Why do I look like that? I don't know how much footage I got of... Sorry, that sound is probably really annoying. I'll try and be quick. I don't know how much footage I got of the party, but we just had the party. We just forgot a cake at home, so we just come home to get it. I don't know why I look like... Oh, I do know. I'm sweating like buckets. Like, I don't think you understand. Oh, I'm sure you do understand, but yeah, I'm sweating bears right now. So, I'm gonna come off. Once that noise is probably really annoying.
2, 3.5, 4.
Hey.
Woo! Awesome. To ya. Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday.
In the church, but you gave upon the Lord.
I said for the things you say, passing up on my way. I can't blame you. No.
Morning, cows. Y'all look hungry, bruh. Moo! They ain't fall for my tricks no more. My mum is out here raking, working hard. Oh, look at them now. Why are they running? There is a frog right there. I'm good, thank you.
Watch them, look.
There's a frog. I'll kick you, bruh. And then the cows.
Someone's coming around. They're calling each other as well.
They're all walking in a line.
Yeah. Man's running.
I must have seen somebody. Good morning. Let me get some. Oh my goodness, I've definitely been touched. Oh my gosh, now I can really see it.
Yeah.
Yes, 8:42 right now. We are about to go to Manchester. So very excited. Who knows? Who knows? But yeah, we're off. Road trip. Here we come. 2-hour drive. Here we go. that's the end of the Jamaica trip. It's been a movie. And actually, don't cry. Why don't cry? I don't want to go. No, for real. I could stay here, but also I didn't enjoy getting eaten by the mosquitoes. Look at face. I have had the best time of my life, and I love my family. And yeah, man, end of Jamaica, but back to New York, and this time we is shopping. Yes, we is. Sephora, here I come. So yeah, sorry, we're about to have a little fun, but